And talking about the economy, guys. So these many resources, if I kept them running, it's probably going to cost me some money. But with Terraform, that's it, and it's gone. Just think about how many clicks you're going to take to do the same thing through console. Alright guys, if you are completely sold now and want to hear some more, I would just walk you guys through the course content real quick. And guys, never fails to fail. So this happened because of this one VM that I left running. Well, that I created through console. And so it failed my deployment. This is another thing. Infrastructure as code needs to be repeatable. You cannot, uh, when you do deployments by hand, it's going to be unpredictable, just like what happened here. And that's why infrastructure as code, and that's where like all those, well, one cloud provider and three other skills you have to have. Anyway, coming back to this, so introduction learning objectives, this video will go here. So Linux or Bash shell, I have actually released this training as free also. So cloud terms simplified, just like I explained, the people talk about cloud and PaaS, SaaS, and DaaS, like all those acronyms, none of them here. Just plain, straightforward, simple terms. Uh, that's what you'll get here. Then virtualization and networking, very critical concepts. So you have to know uh, them pretty well to be successful in the cloud. By the way, sorry guys, the ones my I'm a little more stern in my tone, but a lot of people have left negative feedback and on my free trainings, and I do not appreciate that. So I think the ones that are going to be leaving negative feedback, I just want them to remember this because I did provide what they were looking for, but I am providing what you need. All right, Amazon Web Services. Once again, we're going to create a account and command line. Google Cloud Platform. Once again, create an account, create a VM, but we'll be working on command lines. Now we talk about subtle differences between GCP, AWS, and Azure. And then we get to play with Azure. Once again, we'll create the account and then we create a command line setup. This is not going to be click, click, click console only training, guys. That looks fun, but that's not going to get you anywhere. And then Git and version control, extremely critical. If you don't know this, you're not going anywhere. Again, you're not going anywhere in a lot of cases. You need to be a well-rounded IT professional. Just one certificate is not get you anything. Uh, you want to be a successful professional to get a good job and be successful at it. And that's going to require knowing what to do and doing it the best way possible. And these are the tools that you're going to need to do that. Not a certification. Certifications are very important, but this comes first. Anyway, let's go back to our Google instance. Where is it? It's in Opera. Okay, this is gone. Now I'm gonna go back to my window, and once again, one command, and whatever is left, it's going to clean it out. I'm gonna pause this. Well, don't really have to, I guess. It's moving. And done, guys. All right. Those of you who survived, see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.